In last class, we are discussing about the sampling distribution. What is sampling distribution? What is the characteristics of sample mean? N is very large. Sample mean tending to a normal population with the mean mu and standard deviation sigma by root n. Clear? Uh, Definition of a sample distribution. In sampling distribution, sample mean if n tends to infinity, sample mean the distribution of a sample mean tending to normal distribution. അത് ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ആണ്. സപ്പോസ് പ്രോബ്ലം ഇതാണ്. Suppose a population has mean mu equal to 8 and standard deviation equal to 3. Standard deviation sigma equal to 3. Suppose a random sample. Of size n equal to 36 is selected. What is the probability that the sample mean is between 7.8 and 8.2. Question is this. Suppose a population has a mean mu equal to 8 and standard deviation sigma equal to 3. Suppose a random sample of size n equal to 36 is selected. What is the probability that sample mean is between 7.8 and 8.2? Sample means you can find out the sample mean is lies between 7.8 and 8.2. Given that mu equal to 8, mu is population mean equal to mu equal to 8 and population standard deviation sigma equal to 3. Given next n equal to 36 greater than 30 ആണ്. N is large sample. Greater than 30 ആയ large sample. We have n greater than 30. The sample is large samples. By central limit theorem, x bar is the sample mean. X bar is sample mean. We can find the sample mean is lies between 7 and 8.2. In large sample mean is tending to normal distribution with the mean x bar by central limit theorem. X bar tending to normal distribution with the mean mu and standard deviation sigma by root n. Mu is the population mean equal to sample mean and standard deviation is sigma by sample mean of standard deviation is sigma by root n. Therefore, we can find the probability of 7.8 less than x bar less than 8.2. X bar is the sample mean. Sample mean is between 7.8 and 8.2. That is probability of 7.8 less than x bar less than 8.2, which is equal to this converted into standard normal form. Probability of 7.8 minus mu divided by sigma by root n less than x bar minus mu divided by sigma by root n less than 8.2 minus mu divided by sigma by root n, which is equal to mu is 8. Given that mu is 8 and sigma is 3 and n equal to 36. That is probability of 7.8 minus mu is 8 divided by sigma is 3. 3 by root n. Root n and root 36 less than z less than 8.2 minus 8 divided by 3 by root 36, which is equal to, this is a standard normal distribution. Z follows n 0 1. Probability of 7.8 minus 8 means minus 0.2 divided by 3 by root 36 6 less than z less than 8.2 minus 8 0.2 divided by 3 by 6, which is equal to probability of minus 0.2 divided by 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to 0.5 less than z less than 0.2 divided by 0.5, which is equal to probability of minus 0.2 divided by 0.2 is minus 0.4 less than z less than 0.4. This is standard normal. Normal curve is bell-shaped curve. The region of probability is minus 0.4. This is plus 0.4. This is the required region. It's equal to 2 into probability of 0 less than z less than 0.4. The difference between 0 to minus 0.4 is same as the distance between 0 to 0.4. Therefore, probability of minus 0.4 less than z less than 0.4 is 2 into probability of 0 less than z less than 0.4, which is equal to, by using normal table, what is the probability of 0 to 0.4. Using normal table, 0.4. 0.4 is this. This is 0.4. 0.4 corresponding probability is 0.1454. 2 into 0.1454, which is equal to 8. 0.3908. 1454. 2.0.0 ആണ്. 2908. പ്രോബ്ലം ക്ലിയർ അല്ലേ? മനസ്സിലായിട്ടില്ലേ? വൺ ഫോർ ഫൈവ് ഫോർ. ഓക്കെ. 0.14. (0.1554). ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. 1 മിനിറ്റ്. 0.4ന്റെ പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി 1554. ഓക്കെ. 1554 ആണ്. 80 1 0.3108 ആണ്. പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി 1554 ആണ്. 0.4ന്റെ. ഓക്കെ. 1454 ആണ്. Next question. The average time it takes. The average time it takes a group of college students to complete a certain examination is 46.2 minutes. The standard deviation is 8 minutes. Assume that the variable is normally distributed. Assume that the variable is normally distributed, normally distributed. First one, what is the probability of, what is the probability that a random selected college, a randomly selected college student will complete the exam is the exam is less than 40 minutes, 43 minutes, less than 43 minutes. Second question, if 50 randomly selected college students take the examination, what is the probability that the mean time is taken takes the group of complete the test will less than 43 minutes. Question is this: the average time is takes a group of college students to complete a certain examination is 46.2 minutes. The standard deviation is 8 minutes. Assume that the variable is normally distributed. Whole college students in the average time takes a group of time in complete a certain examination ആണ്. അത് പോപ്പുലേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഹോൾ കോളേജ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ആണ്. അതിന്റെ ആവറേജ് ആണ് 46.2 തന്നത്. അപ്പം ആവറേജ് മീൻസ് മീൻ ഈക്വൽ ടു മ്യൂ ഈക്വൽ ടു 46.2 and standard deviation is 8 minutes. Standard deviation is sigma equal to 8 minutes. Then find what is the probability that randomly selected college students will complete the exam is less than 43 minutes. Randomly selected in the random variable is x1, x2, etc. xn is the takes in the random variable in whole college students. The probability randomly select a particular students. We can find a probability of x less than 43. What is the probability? Randomly selected college student will complete the examination is less than 43 minutes. P of x less than 43. Find the probability of x less than 43. First question. By using standard normal form, probability of x less than 43 means this X follows, given that X follows normal distribution with the mean mu equal to 46.2 and sigma is standard deviation is 8. 46.2 and 8. That is probability of X bar minus mu divided by sigma less than 43 minus mu divided by sigma equal to standard normal form. Z less than 43 minus mu divided by sigma, which is equal to probability of Z less than 43 minus 46.2 divided by sigma is 8, which is equal to probability of Z less than minus 3.2 divided by 8, which is equal to probability of Z less than minus 43 divided by 8 is minus 0.4. This follows standard normal distribution. Z follows standard normal distribution. Using normal curve, find the required region. 0 minus 0.4 is this. 0.4 less than Z is this part. Total we have total probability is 1 and left side of 0 is total probability 0.5, which is equal to 0.5 minus probability of 0 less than Z less than 0.4. Total probability 0.5 minus probability of 0 to a particular Z 0.4. 0.5 minus probability of 0 less than Z less than 0.4, which is equal to 0.5 minus, using normal table, find the probability of 0.4. 0.4. Probability of 0.4 is 0.1, 0.1554. 1554. 0.1554. 0.5 minus 0.1554 is 6, 4, 0.3446. Next, B, if 50 randomly selected college students, number of sample തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് 15 randomly selected students take the examination, what is the probability that mean time is taken a group of complete the test will less than 43 minutes? Less than 43 minutes ആണത് mean time is taken ആണ്. Mean time means sample mean ആണ്. Sample size is 50. 50 randomly selected college students. That is n equal to 15, and what is the probability that the mean time is taken a group of complete test will be less than 43. That is mean time means sample mean ആണ്. Sample means n equal to sample size n equal to 50 and sample mean is x bar. Clear? So we can find the probability of x bar less than 43. In first problem, randomly selected college students will complete the exam. That is probability of x less than 3. This problem is 50 randomly selected. What is the probability of mean time is taken? So sample mean probability of x bar less than 3 probability of second one, probability of x bar less than 3, which is less than 43, which is probability of x bar minus mu divided by sigma by root n. That is x follows normal mu sigma ആണെങ്കിൽ x bar follow ചെയ്യുന്നത് standard normal distribution with the mean mu and standard deviation sigma by root n ആണ്. Less than 43 minus mu divided by sigma by root n is equal to probability of given n equal to 50. We select a 50 randomly random sampling ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ n equal to 50. X bar is sample mean is mu is the population mean. Population mean is given 46.2. 46.2 and sigma is 8 divided by root 50 less than 43 minus 46.2 divided by 8 by root 50, which is equal to probability of z less than 43 minus 3.2 divided by 8 by root 50. Using calculator, find this probability of z less than 3.2 divided by minus 3.2 divided by 8 by root 15 is 1.31376. This is approximately equal to probability of z less than minus 2.83. Approximately this is standard normal. Using normal curve 0, z less than, this is minus 2.83, which is equal to 0.5 minus probability of 0 less than z less than 2.83. Using normal table, find the probability of z value is 0.83, corresponding probability. Find 2.83. 2.83 is 2.83, 0.4977. This is the value. The 2.80 ആണ്, 2.81, 2.82, 2.83, 0.4977. 0.4977, which is equal to approximate 0.0023. This is the required value. Clear അല്ലേ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് പോപ്പുലേഷൻ പ്രൊപ്പോർഷൻ ആണ്. അത് നമുക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ എടുക്കാം. ഇന്ന് എടുക്കാൻ തീരില്ല, അത് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ എടുക്കാം. പ്രോബ്ലംസ്, ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം മനസ്സിലായിട്ടില്ലേ? സാമ്പിൾ മീനിന്റെ ക്ലിയർ അല്ലേ?